How to update Photoroom. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now here on the right bottom, you can see this search icon. Simply tap on the search icon. Now on the top at the search bar, simply search for Photoroom. So it will pop up here. Simply tap on it. So I have already installed this application, and here you'll be able to see this update button. Simply tap on update. So it will take some time. Now different features and tools might get added in this application, so each and every time there will be some updates in this application, and even new tools and AI features will be enabled, so this will make it more convenient to use the application. So it's getting installed now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.